Hey guys, it's your girl Queen B, and I am unboxing some stuff that I got. Of course, you know you gotta keep up with stuff, and so I got more things that you guys are gonna be so excited for me to unbox for you. Okay, so I decided that sick and tired of them mafia, you know, the fiber, the material ones. So I went ahead and got something exciting. Let me try it on for you guys. Shh. You come here. This is the thing there now. Buzzy. Some lipstick and everything can wear now. Another thing. So I've been begging and nobody now respond to it. I asked somebody and them say if them did know someone never already have one, then they would have gotten me it for my birthday. And then another person tricked me, asked me one more, I'ma tell them, and then them said them I get it and never got it. But to know me already, if I need it, I'm gonna get it. So a girl don't really need anybody, but I'm grateful for those who, you know, support the vibe. So what's this she got in her hands here? What's this she got in her hand? This is the Pro, and it has the underwater thing in there. It comes with a lot of stuff in the package. I would most certainly have to switch around the camera for you guys and open it so you guys can see what's happening in it. So here I'm gonna switch around the camera for you guys. Here I took off this thing here. This is the casing so it can go underwater, but they won't pull up this thing until I read everything. So I'm just showing you guys what's crackling mackling over here. So, and it come with everything under the bottom. Something in the box, my cable. I forgot to pull it in its fullness to show you guys, but for now I want to open the other box then. You know, it's that time. It's that time. I want to know, a girl should never ever run out of all these. When I care how broke you be. So I go ahead and I ordered some online. Yeah, it has to be why I'm gonna go downtown like everybody else. I don't know, I just feel extra special when things just come from far in. And I damaged one of my white shirts and I needed to get it back, so I just use one stone kill whole heap, you know? Yeah. This now I ordered for a friend of mine. I'm gonna post this before she get it. So guys, thank you again for watching. I hope you stay tuned to my channel. I have so much to discuss with you. Right now I'm trying to go over on the celebrity side of things to kind of do a little bit of commentary, you know. So guys, just support my, you know, my variation. You know, we cook from time to time, we bake, we talk about education, we inform you about life changes, and we talk finances sometimes. We talk relationship too. Well, I just about sum up everything in life for you guys. So guys, stay tuned to my channel and remember to share the link so that my subscription can build up. You know, upcoming YouTuber upcoming YouTuber having tongue twisting. Upcoming YouTuber. Like, share, subscribe. Who can tell me what the SB stand for? Bad me bad. You know, really I kind of dig them, like, what if I was born with these things? Like, I think move at very, very, very conceited. Like, I don't think nobody could have talked to me. Look at this. It just goes well with me. I don't know. Give me that extra, you know? Yeah. Who knows so when I do things when I do it full food? Who knows? What is this? Isn't this the GoPro? with the case. Talk about it, my G. Afraid for you open the thing, my G. My G. My G. My J. Who knows that the vlogging thing I got turned to a next level? I never ask me how much of the thing. I'm going to research on the thing. Just like how I research it. Right. And I got to show you guys after finally figuring out the thing, how to open it, because they will well connect this thing in there. You can't even shift it. I got a ton load of stickers. I don't even know what this is. I don't know. But we're gonna read the book because the people give you a nice little package here with the manual in there. I will get like a USB card, USB cable. Get one like a string thing to turn the camera on so it don't get, you know, missing and misplaced and all that. And don't get too tired. And then this look like, oh, the battery. Okay. Yeah, somebody called me and interrupt, you know. I don't know what this is, but we're gonna figure it out together. I got 2 of those. It has a sticky side, I guess, so they covered that. My G's. I don't know what this is either, but it looks like a lever. Yo, I'm wrapping around the cut here. We're gonna figure it out together. Yeah, somebody just come and give me a credit. Because we don't know well fast in that place, yeah. Alright, so this is the back side of the waterproof casing. I'm guessing, you know, without looking at the manual, you can't guess the things. Anything else under this thing, yeah? There's a heap of things coming out of the box here. Also, them just strip me so the rest side. I put one big old something in there, good things in it. People are still like this. Alright, so that's the end of the show. Solomon Grande. But I like something here. I guess this is where you put it away at night when you're done with it. And this is a casing, and then make sure so them attach this like a black piece here. So this is the bottom, and this is the cover to store it when you're through. Okay. So I'm gonna set it up now. Alright, so I almost broke the damn thing because I didn't know that these were actually the, well, let me check before I speak. Oh God. But I'm still trying to figure out how to get the waterproof casing off because the manual not help me right now, or I probably cannot read. But let's see if these are the, yes, the cards. No, they're not actually. These are like soft and bendy. So I didn't get any US. I want the, hello, more about money right now. So I'm operate without this thing now. I never put in no card in there. God. Look at case business, yeah? Everything in case, you know? So we can go underwater. You know, we don't trust it and put it under the water, bro. Right? Guys, remember to share my link. I need to build my subscription, so if you want to help a girl out, go ahead and share the link and invite persons to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.